Okay, Snap-on Plasma20i comes from the factory with a Sabora torch. Very expensive, very nice machine. The biggest problem with these machines are the cost of consumables and availability. You can't find them, and the prices of the consumables is absurd. $100 for 5 electrodes, I don't think so. So instead, we offer a retrofit kit. So here's a Snap-on 20i with a Hypertherm compatible torch. So the parts for this torch, Hypertherm compatible, very inexpensive, very reasonable, available everywhere. Here is a Hypertherm compatible torch. This is not Hypertherm, you'd spend 3 times the money, but it's compatible, uses all the parts, works great, 20-foot lead. Installation is easy. It's virtually identical to the OEM torch. All you do is you pop the case open. It's very clear. A couple of spade terminals. Unscrew it. Put the new one back in, and you're good to go.